Most cars don't make it past 200,000 miles. It's not bad luck, it's bad maintenance. Mechanics know this, but they don't always tell you. Why? Because if your car dies early, you will be back in their shop. Today I will give you 13 secrets that can keep your car running like new. By the end, you will know the exact habits that save money, extend life of your car, and stop small issues that becoming big bills. Number 1. Don't trust the dealership's upsells. Dealers love extra services. You come in for an oil change and leave with £900 invoice for flushes, cleanings and add-ons you didn't need. Warranty work? Sure, use the dealer. But for routine stuff, find a good independent mechanic. Someone who cares about keeping you as a customer, not draining your wallet. Keep saying yes to dealer upsells, and you will spend thousands for maintenance that does nothing to your car. Number 2. Don't drive through deep water. I have seen more engines killed by puddles than by old age. Just 6 inches of water can reach a low intake. When water enters the cylinders, boom, bent rods, cracked block, total engine failure. And it's not just the engine. Water kills sensors, wiring, carpets and even the exhaust. Advice: if you can't see the bottom, don't risk it, turn around. One wrong puddle can turn your car into insurance write-off in a second. Cabin filter: clean before you replace. Most people just swap the filter, but dust, pollen and leaves pile up in the ducts. You are still breathing it. Skip this and you will be pumping mold spores and allergens straight into your lungs. Before sliding in a new filter, blow out the housing with a shop vac or compressed air. Do it once a year or more if you dry in dust. Dealers charge £80 for this. You can do it in minutes. Lube your doors and seals. That's metal grinding down. Dry hinges sag, doors misalign, latches snap. Same with weather stripping when it cracks. Water leaks in, then comes molten rust. Twice a year spray hinges with lithium grease and wipe seals with silicone spray. Takes 5 minutes, saves hundreds. Ignore it long enough and your doors won't close right. Or worse, water leaks rot the whole floor. Torque your wheels right. Shops love blasting lug nuts with air guns. Too tight and you warp your rotors and snap studs. Every car has a torque spec. Use a torque wrench in a star pattern. And if someone else touches your wheels, I recommend you double check at home. Drive with warped rotors and you will feel vibrations. The track brakes and suspension too. Number 6. Protect your connectors. Electrical issues that show up in the rain, usually water in a plug. The cure is simple: a dab of dielectric grease when you unplug sensors or spark boots. Keeps out moisture, saves you hours of chasing ghost faults. Let corrosion spread and you will chase random faults that cost hundreds in diagnostic. Don't chip out on the battery. Bargain battery will strand you. Weak cells, no reserve power, warranty not worth the paper. Save £40 today and spend £200 tomorrow on towing and missed work. Invest in a solid brand and check the cold cranking amps. It's the difference between starting every morning and beginning for a jump. Don't blast the engine bay. Pressure washers under the hood? Big no. Water sneaks into coils, alternators or fuse boxes. Spray too hard and your clean engine might not even start the next day. If you want it clean, use a rag and degreaser. Or very low pressure with electronics cover it. Your engine doesn't need to shine, it needs to run. If these tips are helping, hit subscribe so you don't miss more car tips. Neglecting tire pressure and rotation. Most drivers just fill the tank and forget the tires. But low pressure eats fuel, ruins handling and wears out tires unevenly. Check your tire pressure once a month and rotate your tires every 10k miles. It takes minutes, but it doubles tires' life and keeps you safe. Ignore it and you will be buying new tires way more faster. Or worse, lose grip in the rain when you need it most. Number 10. Inspect your old oil filter. Don't just toss it, look closely. Metal flakes inside, bearing wear. Bloated housing, oil pressure issue. Sludge, Bad oil intervals. That filter is like black box for your engine. It tells user story. Use the right oil. The best upgrade you can give your car is quality oil. Cheap stuff breaks down faster, sludge builds up, and engines die young. Stick to good synthetic oil and change it on time. I know it's boring advice, but it's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Don't top off brake fluid blindly. Low fluid isn't always a leak. Most times it means your brake pads are worn. Top it off blindly, then replace pads. It overflows and ruins paint. Brake fluid also absorbs moisture. And if it's dark, replace it, don't just fill it up. Torque plus consistency. Small habits save big money. Keep oil changes on time. Swap filters. Check basics before they snowball. The cars that live past 300,000 miles, they are not magic, they are just cared for. Out of all this, the two most important today are: use good oil and replace it on time. Most people skip this, and that's why their cars die early. Was helpful? Don't miss out, subscribe for more.